Oh, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. Not all Ford controls are created equal. These German Fords are certainly like nothing else that you'll ever see. The quality on these things, the price is very high, but type approval says it all. That means these things have gone through the German TUV system, which all the marks are on here and all the papers, okay? And this proves that these things are built to a proper standard, whereas a lot of stuff in the forest, let's be honest, die-cast crap will snap. This is all CNC and forged billet and welded where it needs to be steel, okay? Very, very high quality stuff here, okay? This particular item, this is your shifter, okay? Obviously got grease nipple there, even on the Zerk nipple, as they call it, on there. Adjustable rod, so, you know, this shows how far forwards your feet are from the original. And this one here, obviously, is your brake. This basically, you take your brake lever off, this thing goes in its place, and obviously this lever here pushes this, which obviously shoves the thing that was connected to the original brake lever. So pretty easy to fit, but cracking quality. These really are made in Germany, as I say, top of the range stuff. This will bolt on like this, and then obviously this actuates this, which does that. But cracking kit, cracking. And you can see here the instructions are pretty simple. You know, anyone that's got a bike normally would have a clue. If you haven't, I do recommend you take this to a dealer, okay? Because when you're talking brakes and gears, it's dangerous. So do not attempt to fit this if you've no mechanical skills, okay? And honestly, your insurance as well, you need to have it fitted by a dealer, I'd have thought too. But these are available also for Rocket 3, for Roadsters, Americas, pretty well everything. Japanese bikes, Harleys, you name it, we do sell a lot. Not cheap, these are over the £1,000 mark, but to get the German type approval stuff, if you look at some of the Thunderbird stuff, these are actually about half the price of the Harley ones. But cracking bit of kit, also available in based in billet, polished or chrome as well. Okay, the foot pegs obviously fold up. They've been put in this position purely for transport. Normally this would obviously be here, so it'll fold up and down that way. But you just undo that and adjust it to where you want it. If you're interested in any great parts from Custom Cruisers, okay, you can get an idea of the kind of gear we do. Okay, we got absolutely everything you'll ever need, and I mean that. When I say everything, I mean everything. Okay, got a massive Curiac in sale on billet wheels. Pretty well everything you're ever going to need if you're a biker. Okay, give us a call, 01773835666, customcruisers.com, or the new site, customcruisers.eu, if it ever gets done by the goddamn French. Give us a call. Thank you. Or email sales@customcruisers.com.